Welcome back to the channel, Two Travel Hunters. Today we're going to drive to the Laos border and start our next adventure in a new country. Woohoo! So hopefully by this evening we should be at the border, spend the night there and then cross the border in the morning is the plan. Hopefully it all goes to plan. Had a great time in Chiang Mai. Thailand's been amazing. Great 5 months. Raining already. Been on the road in 2 minutes. Thought we was going to run out of petrol. Got to the services. Struck gold. Got everything here. Amazon coffee, KFC, 7-Eleven. Oh, look at this little beauty. Might even get a pad crapao. Boom, struck gold. Chiang Mai guy, I think it is. And been looking for that everywhere. Never tasted it before, so I'm going to try it. Chili's got nada. Although I did buy some. It looks like a brioche bread thing from outside. It's quite expensive, so I've got high hopes for it. I'll let you know that it's like. No surprises there. There was always going to be the way. Dust on my glasses. 100 kilometers to go till we get to the border, so we need to find somewhere to stay before we get there. Which we're obviously not going to do because we're on a bike. It's like, look, stop with petrol again. Even got bugs on my glasses, look. I was lucky it didn't go in my eye. Could have been nasty. Last fill up before we get to Laos. Cool. 250 to 800 pounds. Like the 250 please.
Have arrived.
Reception. Chiang Kong. Got ourselves a dreamy little apartment here. Outdoor seating, look. Swimming pool just over there, just over yonder. Probably won't have time to even jump in it. Got Tilly batting away all the muzzies. Quick, she says she's in a hurry. Someone's in a hurry. What do you get planned? This is our concrete cell for the night. Got slippers though, look. What? It's posh. You didn't tell me it was posh. Outside toilet, shower, wet room. We're only here for a night, then we're crossing the border in the morning. So, we need to go and find some food. Now let's show you the swimming pool first, look. Check this out. Got to get all the luggage off the bike as well. No, you got to be quick, otherwise you get in trouble. She calls herself Princess, but she don't act like one. Once you leave the door open and let the mosquitoes in. It's probably all the shade around now. Chiang Kong. This was about 5 hours riding from Chiang Mai. It took us probably 6 hours or so with stops for lunch and that. I might even have a little dip now, you know. Why not? Look at this, look. This is beautiful. Who was expecting that? No, it said it had a swimming pool, but I wasn't expecting it to be really nice. And it is actually really nice. Sunset over there. Little pool chairs and that. So, time to wash up, enjoy a little chill. Could do with a coffee. Hope it's got a kettle, but I don't think it did have. And then we're going to try and see if we can book a boat. Slow boat to Luang Prabang in Laos. I'll let you know what happens with that. Chiang Mai High Street. Should have got here earlier. Because literally everything's closed. 7-Eleven. Hopefully some restaurants. Although we did pass a market on the way in. So I'm hoping worst ways we'll go to the market for dinner. There should be a restaurant around here. Got beer though, so we're alright. Table?
Temple.
Oh, simple. So we can pray for food. Wait for him to go. I didn't want to go yet because I didn't know if I wanted to go down now. What's that? Food. Everything's shut. I shouldn't have chewed that minty. Should have sucked it and made it last. There's the entrance to the Wat, look. With amazing views over the river out the back. Prime location it is. Look, do the big reveal. This is how you get to the Mekong River. Look at this temple as well.
Can we let you swim?
Well, I don't know how we're going to get a bike there if we swim. That's the only problem. Well, I've got to strap it to my back and swim across. Oh, I think I'd rather just drive across the bridge. Look how fast that river's flowing. I'm not even sure you'd want to swim. I've got to be honest. Chaley's picked us a winner. Nice view overlooking the river. Show you that first. What's that over there? Look. Oh, it's a little island out there as well. I'm starving, you know. Hoping they do pad krapao. Not had it for 2 days. Getting withdrawal, start shaking and twitching and that. Now that, my friends, is how you keep a beer cold. And I'll tell you what, I've earned this. I deserve this. And it's probably not going to be my last. Celebrating my last night in Thailand. Baby! Not ever though. Just for now.
Seafood, fried rice.
That was it?
Yeah.
I got drunken noodles. Hopefully they worked. With chicken. Let you know when the rest turns up because it's not all I ordered. I can't wait for it all to get here, so I'm just going to dive in. How about you, baby? You're going to wait patiently for your
vegetables?
Oh. No, she's not. The main event has turned up. Crispy pork, holy basil, and spicy. Hopefully, got some mixed veg over here. Princess Passenger. Rim Kong restaurant in Chiang Mai. Beautiful restaurant. We nearly had it all, but it was a lot of food. Chaley's stuffed up, ready for bed now. I think she's always ready for bed. I need to get her checked for narcolepsy, but we can do that tomorrow. Got to stop with a crispy pork. My jacket's getting a bit tight. We're heading to the border now, and going to attempt to get through without having to pay plenty of money in tourist tax, as they call it. bribes, as the rest of the world call it. They don't know how to get on. We'll find out if we make it or not. Nah, hoping he's going to let me through in a minute. Hoping he remembers that. Smile and wave at him like his friend. This way. Cap from cap. Yeah, this way. Driving car. Be that one, wouldn't it? This one here. I'll push it through. Well, he's got that barrier up. Ooh, thank you. Ooh, very nice here. This is where we swap from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So that's why the roads go funny. So here you swap over. So from here we're on the other side of the road. I've got to try and remember that. Now we're on the right. Here. Mad, isn't it? What's that? Well, this is the Friendship Bridge, so halfway over this bridge it changes. Now you're in Laos. Not as bad as some people say. 2 hours later, and we're in Laos, baby. Woohoo! Where now? Gotta be enough barrier, isn't it? See why they bring adventure bikes. I mean, these seem pretty confident we should be going this way. Go this way. Yeah? Oh. He's saying that. What? He's pointing over there. I'm telling you that. He's pointing over there and saying that. Them signs was trying to stop him from going this way. I think this is just going to a village or something. Ah dear. Right, they put nobody tired when they come out. This guy's gonna say now. Go this way. This way. I don't think he's saying. Definitely ain't got the tyres. Couple of hours from the border. About to have our first meal in Laos. Turns out we don't speak any Lao. So we need to learn some words. We're going to order food. We're about to repair the bike again. Down here, look. This thing keeps bumping down. See it? You probably can't. It keeps falling down and it was resting on here. I'm breaking it. Don't want to break my bike. It's the last thing I need. Done well up until now, but getting worried and panicked about the whole affair. Anyway, I'm sure once we've had some food and a nice coffee, the world will seem like a better place. Teely's managed to order us some fried rice, shrimp fried rice, and pork fried rice. For the meat eaters. Check out the view from this restaurant. Look. Look at this. I don't know if I want to walk through that great spider's web, but look at this. Look. Sabadi. What? What a view. Beautiful, isn't it? You get bored of looking at that. Hey? Beautiful, isn't it? Huh? Let's hope the food's as good as the view. Definitely need the 4x4s out here. I don't know. I think even the lorries are bibbing him. I think even the lorries are bibbing him. I don't know. Perhaps he's in a rush. He's got a medical emergency. Don't like being near that edge. It looks like that's the next bit to go, doesn't it? I think some of it has gone to the electric with it. Somebody. She looked like an ample of trouble, didn't she? She looked like that girl who used to live next door to you. A few doors away. Oh no! Oh, the phone! Look, phone! 24 kilometres. Try and follow them, ain't ya? Whoa! Fucking hell. That's where the road's fucking slipping, you know? Isn't it? I don't know if that's where it's about to go. Oh, what? We're beaten up. Yeah, well, hopefully the next road is not as bad, but it's a smaller road. So I'm not. I don't know. I mean, when we get to Luang Prabang, it'll end. It's here. It might be this. Like, yeah, this one. Yeah, look. Hope you keep with that wow, eh? Yeah. Hope you're still impressed once you see the inside. I don't know where to park, yeah? The dust on that road is unbelievable. This shocking road. It takes hours to get down, and right now we've found somewhere to stay tonight on the way to Luang Prabang. Looks alright, doesn't it, eh? 500 baht. They're making up prices as they go along. Everything's way more expensive than Thailand, and that don't sound right. I thought it'd at least be on same sort of level. Big grandioso reception though, isn't it? Look. Huh? Thinking, this is alright. You know? Welcome to our new abode. I mean, it's big. Hello.
Hey. Hey.
Got some front sticking out on the wall, let me tell you. Because someone's been chugging about 60 a day in here. It smells awful. It's like, but we're desperate. We just need somewhere for the night. We're a couple of hours from the nearest town at least. But it's big, it's wooden clad. It's got a bathroom and a western toilet. And believe me, that's a big deal around here. So we're going to share a pack of biscuits and try and get clean, try and get the dust off of us. First morning in Laos. Time to hit the world's dustiest road again, babe. You ready? You ready for this? He's saying 7 hours. It's now 6:30 in the morning. It's the earliest we've been up like ever. And we're gonna hit the road nice and early and hopefully make it to Luang Prabang today. Do you reckon, babe?
Hopefully.
Feeling confident?
I am.
Hold that lid for me. Thank you. So, hopefully we'll be there soon. Coffee would be nice.
Yeah.
Hanging out with coffee. But I'm gonna probably wait until we need petrol. Luang Prabang, baby. Scared.
Head southeast
Fucking
on
hell.
Route 13.
How am I going to get down now? Not like that. Don't even ease you in, does it? Don't even think, get a couple of miles down the road before the pumping really starts. It's like immediate. It's like the worst of it, the worst I've seen of it. I was hoping there wouldn't be a lot of lorries out on the road. Everyone probably does the same thing. At least it like feels nicer, it's cooler. So in 13:25 we should get there. Well, I know that ain't right, but in a couple of hours we'll know how far wrong it is. You know? Oh, it was alright for that 100 yards. Oh no. Bigger, aren't they? Yeah, I had to get past him. I know. Don't know what's amazing, more amazing. Traffic lights, so in fact everyone stopped. Oh, we ain't, that's the first set of traffic lights we've seen, isn't it? In Laos, in the 250 kilometres.
Thank you for banking with us.
Tea drinkers, eh? Get a great big mug.
Yeah.
And then they still want to steal my saucer. I get a poxy little cup, look. Little 2 slips and it's done. They want it all. First coffee of the day. Been on the road for about 3 hours and I'm shattered already. Got what do we say, another 5 hours to go. It's going to be longer, let me tell you. Look, we've done that song already, haven't we? When we get there. I reckon he could be in a little bit of trouble there, didn't you? Might have moved over for someone. I don't know. I don't think he's going to just drive it out though. Oh, getting a rear view. I'll explain that to your boss. He's looking for a job next, tomorrow. I was going to say next week, but look at this. It's huge, isn't it? Oh, can't look at it too long. What's he say? Oh, actually in pain. Oh, my knees hurt, my fucking back hurts, my ass hurts. Actually made it. Didn't think we was gonna make it today, but we made it. Not sure if I'm gonna make it any further, but we made it.
Made it. 22 hours later.
Now we've got to do. No, it only took us like 9 hours.
Not like that.
Now we've got to do is find somewhere to stay. Welcome to Luang Prabang. There's no sign now. Oh, there is, look, underneath. Sadakam Royal View. Geese has been open 4 days. We've just rocked up after the most hideous 2 days on the road. We smell something awful, at least I do anyway. Check this gaff out though. And it comes with breakfast. Right? Brand spanking new. Look at this. Hey? Believe me, I'm going to be in that in a few minutes. It is roasting. I tell you, come and have a look at this. You ain't seen all of it yet. Da, 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 da. Who lives in a house like this?
Welcome.
Oh, someone's all happy now.
Welcome.
Oh, look, we've got a poolside room. Ta-da. Poolside room. King size bed. What do they call this? They call this something, didn't they? Where you can look in, look. Wow. Look at this, look. Where are you? Why can't I see you? Ah, but if I don't want to see her, look, I can blank her out, look. In case I'm doing a number 2. And he's got all this shower gels and everything. He must have smelt me as I walked through the door. Quickly ran in and put that in. Look at this. I mean, I've got to admit, the price is extortionate. But, you know,
It's not being used yet.
we're worth it.
Oh, we're going to be the first.
So, going to get my stuff off, get some swimming trunks on, and get in my pool. I think I'm going to be very happy here.